Hello, guys. Thanks for watching. This video is going to introduce the laser engraving machine ACMER P2. With just the laser head and power cable to attach, you can have your machine up and running in under a minute. ACMER is the first brand to use industrial guide rails instead of wheels, which are much better in engraving precision, stability and lifespan, though much costly too. With a laser point size of 0.08 × 0.1 mm, engraving accuracy of 0.1 mm, and relocation accuracy of 0.001 mm. Most products, the engraving speed is below 20,000 mm per minute, while some overstate to be 48,000 mm per minute. However, excessive speed can also affect the depth of the engraving. We have achieved a perfect combination by taking various factors into consideration. The air pump has a long working life and runs quietly. It can effectively blow away dust to protect the laser glass mirrors. The anti-tilting device ensures that the machine will automatically shut down when it is tilted at an angle greater than 15 degrees, preventing laser damage caused by external factors. The flame detection device is designed to detect any abnormal flames during the cutting process, preventing the occurrence of fire. In case of an accident, the emergency stop button allows you to quickly react and pause the laser operation. Our machine can process a wide range of materials, including wood, acrylic, glass, leather, cardboard, metal, and more. Simply plug in and toggle the switch to switch between modules. Unlike other brands that require wire switching, our machine eliminates this inconvenience. Compatible with Laser GRBL and Lightburn software. Laser GRBL supports Windows XP 7, 8, 10, 11, while Lightburn supports Mac OS and Windows. Can also be operated via app.